Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this time the presentation information system, mastering system recruitment, the foundation of success. Every great information system began with a clear understanding of what it must do and how well it must do it. This presentation explore the two pillars of system design, functional and non-functional recruitment. Next slide. Understanding functional recruitment. Definition: functional recruitment describes the specific service, task, or feature a system must provide to satisfy user and business needs. They define the behavior of the software through input, process, and output. The car analogy: if a system were a car, functional recruitment will be here able to enter and brake the car attitude the brake fast on the main purpose. Next slide. Characteristic of functional recruitment. These recruitment are observable and disturbable feature directed as present by user. They focus on functional operations such as data processing, data authentication, report generation, and business roles. Without this, a system simple lacks the core capability recruitment to perform its inner job. Observable and testable. Age recruitment can be verified through testing and direct observation by the end user. User-centric, the reflect the real-world tasks user need to complete with the system. For capability, without functional recruitment, a system has no purpose. It cannot perform its intended job. Okay, next slide. The understanding non-functional recruitment, the how. Definition: non-functional recruitment define the quality, attribute, constraint, and performance standard of the system, while functional recruitment tell you what the system does. This is that how well the system performs those tasks. The car analogy returning to the car analogy is the R safety rating, fuel efficiency, and comfort level, not what the car does, but how well it doesn't. Next slide. Pillar of system quality. Non-functional recruitment encompass vital operation standard including performance such as response time and security involving protection against non-citizen access. They also cover scalability, which is the system capabilities for growth, recovery from a time consistent, and usability ensure the interface in iterate over the system. Performance, response time, and under expected load condition, security, protection, again, uncertainty access, and data breach. Scalability, the system ability could grow and handle secure demand. Reliability, conservative error percent. Security, ensuring the Israel and necessary for the Azure. Okay, next slide. Case study online banking system. Imagine building a digital banking platform. Functional requirement. The data the system must allow user to learn, view their current account balance, and infinity fund the creditor for the account. That's user the creditor, the primary value proposition the user expect. They open the application. Next slide. Taking apply non-functional recruitment. To be successful, this bank must also meet strict non-functional recruitment. The system must process transaction with a responsive team less than 2 seconds to minute task. Our financial data must the evidence job and the recruitment requirement manager or the user. Okay, next slide. The critical concern are functional requirement, the engineering, the system, the login process data, and other. Error as related. Non-functional requirement, that's all berikut gambaran. Next slide. Building a balance. Berikut gambarnya ada non-functional requirement, ada non-functional what the system does, ada delivery system, functional, and library. Okay, conclusion are dictating for excellence. Success in information system is found the interest of powerful feature and elite performance. Stand by defining the system must do but always demand excellence in how behaves. Will it with purpose, no tested quality and deliberate system that truly transparent. David Wet, unclosed Wet. Next slide. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.